Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be delving more into the complexities of the Hebrew language. In Hebrew, when it comes to the verb to have, the grammatical setup is quite different than English. For one, the word used for to have is the equivalent of the English phrase there is. Then one would add the word indicating to whom there is something. For example, there is to me, there is to her, and so on. Today, I'll be teaching you how to set up these sentences and help you remember which word to use for each personal pronoun. Let's go! Li, to me, yesh, li, I have. Lecha, to you, singular masculine. Yesh lecha, you singular masculine have. Lach, to you, singular feminine. Yesh lach, you singular feminine have. Lo, to him. Yesh lo, he has. La, to her. Yesh la, she has. Lanu, to us. Yesh lanu, we have. Lechem, to you, plural masculine. Yesh lechem, you, plural masculine, have. This pronoun is also used if there is a mixed group of males and females. Lechen, you, plural feminine. Yesh lechen, you, plural feminine, have. Lehem, to them, masculine. Yesh lehem, they, masculine, have. Lehen, to them, feminine. Yesh lehen, they, feminine, have. What can this look like in a sentence? Let's have a look. Yesh li mechonit, I have a car. Yesh li zman, I have time. Yesh li baya, I have a problem. Yesh lecha bayit, you singular masculine have a house. Yesh lecha kelev, you singular masculine have a dog. Yesh lecha jacket, you singular masculine have a jacket. Yesh lach mayim, you singular feminine have water. Yesh lach chatul, you singular feminine have a cat. Yesh lach kadur, you singular feminine have a ball. Yesh lo yayin, he has wine. Yesh lo avodah, he has work. Yesh lo ochel, he has food. Yesh la simla, she has a dress. Yesh la tzipor, she has a bird. Yesh la lechem, she has bread. Yesh lanu ben, we have a son. Yesh lanu shulchan, we have a table. Yesh lanu sefer, We have a book. יש לכם חבר. You, plural masculine, have a friend. יש לכם מיטה. You, plural masculine, have a bed. יש לכם בת. You, plural masculine, have a daughter. יש לכן שעון. You, plural feminine, have a watch. יש לכן גבינה. You, plural feminine, have cheese. יש לכן רעיון. You, plural feminine, have an idea. יש להם משקפיים. They, masculine, have glasses. יש להם שאלה. They, masculine, have a question. יש להם תשובה. They have an answer. יש להן שיער. They, feminine, have hair. יש להן נעליים. They, feminine, have shoes. יש להן עוגה. They, feminine, have cake. Now, what about the negative? Doesn't have. Well, that's pretty simple once you already know which word to associate with each personal pronoun. All you gotta do is replace the word yesh with en. Yesh li, I have. En li, I don't have. Yesh lecha, you, singular masculine, have. En lecha, you, singular masculine, don't have. Yesh lach, you, singular feminine, have. En lach, you, singular feminine, don't have. Yesh lo, he has. En lo, he doesn't have. Yesh la, she has. En la, she doesn't have. Yesh lanu, we have. En lanu, we don't have. Yesh lechem, you, plural masculine, have. En lechem, you, plural masculine, don't have. Yesh lechen, you, plural feminine, have. En lechen, you, plural feminine, don't have. Yesh lehem, they, masculine, have. En lehem, they, masculine, don't have. Yesh lehen, they, feminine, have. En lehen, they, feminine, don't have. En li mayim, I don't have water. En lecha chatul, you, singular masculine, don't have a cat. En lach ochel, you, singular feminine, don't have food. En lo zman, he doesn't have time. En la baya, she doesn't have a problem. En lanu tshuva, we don't have an answer. En lechem rayon, you, plural masculine, don't have an idea. En lechen uga, you, plural feminine, don't have cake. En lehem kelev, they, masculine, don't have a dog. En lehen avodah, they, feminine, don't have work. Now let's do some practice examples. I'll give you some sentences in English, and it'll be your job to translate them into Hebrew. As usual, I'll leave a cheat sheet in the corner, and feel free to pause the video at any point if you need more time. I don't have a cat. En li chatul, you, plural masculine, have work. Yesh lechem avodah, you, singular feminine, have a ball. יש לך כדור. He doesn't have time. אין לו זמן. She has an idea. יש לה רעיון. They, masculine, have cake. יש להם עוגה. You, plural feminine, have water. יש לכן מים. You, singular masculine, don't have a dog. אין לך כלב. We don't have cheese. אין לנו גבינה. They, feminine, have a car. יש להן מכונית. That's it for today! How many of these sentences did you get correct? Did you find his grammar difficult or easy? Let me know in the comment section. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more language content. Tack för idag, להתראות, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!